Mr. Lasitha, I just completed a year, so I'm just thinking of the braking system because that is actually so important. If the brakes are not working, you're done, right? So any suggestions you have?
Normally, you could do a brake inspection when you come for the general service and checkup.
Okay.
And the manufacturer normally recommends to not only check up, they also would recommend to change your brake fluid
Okay.
every 2 years.
Okay.
So we have got this sophisticated machine with us,
Okay. Wow, looks good.
which will help to bleed your entire brake system
Okay.
and
Okay.
recover the old brake fluid, and also to replace the new brake fluid
Okay.
and bleed your entire brake system.
Okay. So how do you do this? Like you'll attach this to
Yes,
the.
you just attach the machine component
Okay.
from your brake master cylinder, and then the machine will start to operate,
Okay.
and all the 4 wheels will be led accordingly
Okay.
to the sequence.
Wow, so this is like a hassle-free, problem-free solution. You just attach the machine to the system and it will automatically take the fluid from all the 4 wheels and adjust and replace accordingly.
And then you will have very less brake fluid spillage,
Okay,
and
yeah.
the system will be accurate, and all the air in the system will be taken out from the machine.
You know, guys, the brake fluid is a very sensitive material, isn't it?
Yes,
Like,
it is.
it attracts air. If it's open, then the brake fluid gets ruined, right?
Yes.
So that's why if we use a sophisticated machine like this, it's always beneficial for the car. The car will remain good, the braking system would remain good, and in the long run, you will enjoy the benefits of the car.
Yes, because when you maintain the brake system and the brake fluid, then you will not have any corrosive parts in your brake system,
Okay.
because the
Good.
brake fluid
Okay.
will attract moisture after a certain period of time, and then it will not perform properly.
Okay.
So by using this machine, you will accurately bleed the system. Then the machine will automatically clean the entire system as well.
Yeah. So thank you so much for your time. I feel so much more confident that not only I purchased the best car in its price point, but I will be getting the best after sales service as well with an expat like Mr. Lasitha here and such sophisticated machines. I have nothing to worry. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank
you. Thank you. See you soon. See you soon. See you guys. Take care.